How to register a KuCoin account. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to register a KuCoin account, one of the world's leading crypto exchanges, so you can easily start your crypto journey. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. To register an account and get attractive offers from KuCoin, visit coinaz.net/KuCoin. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to register a KuCoin account. Let's get started. To create an account, enter your email address or phone number here. This is a referral code. If you don't have one, enter this code to receive bonus rewards. Click Create Account and claim reward. KuCoin has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email inbox. This is the email that KuCoin sent to me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email from KuCoin. This is your account activation code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. Click Submit. Next, create a password for your account. Your password must be 10 to 32 characters long and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, with no spaces. You can refer to the password example shown on the screen. After creating your password, click Confirm. Your account has been successfully created. To access KuCoin's benefits and promotions, you need to verify your account. Click Verify now. First, select your country or region. Click Get Verified. Next, choose the document type. You can choose an ID card, passport, or driver's license. I'll choose ID card. Then click Continue. Here, you can scan the QR code using the KuCoin app, or follow the instructions on the browser. Click here. These are some important notes before uploading images. Please read them carefully. Click Continue. Verification includes two steps: identity verification and facial verification. Click Start Verification. Click Agree and Continue to confirm that you have read and accepted the personal data terms. Click Continue. Click Allow to use the camera. Place your document inside the frame for verification. Next, you need to complete facial verification. Click Continue. Position your face within the frame, then slowly rotate your head in a circle to complete facial verification. Your documents are being reviewed. The result will be sent to your email within 48 hours. Next, I will show you how to secure your account. Click this icon. Click Account Security. Here, you can choose from multiple authentication methods. I'll choose Google Authenticator. Click Configure. Click Link Google Authenticator. A verification code has been sent to your email. Please check your inbox, copy the code, and enter it here. The final step is to enter the Google Authenticator code. Click here to copy the setup key. Next, download Google Authenticator on your phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click here. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. Choose Enter a setup key. Enter the account name. Then paste the setup key you copied here. Click Add. This is your Google Authenticator code. Click here to copy it. Once you have the code, go back to the KuCoin website. Click Paste. Click Submit. Google Authenticator has been successfully enabled. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.